Assalamualaikum friends, I hope you're doing well, and here 10,000 logo and page templates for Photoshop and Adobe Illustrator. But first you need subscription for access of my all data. Go to sherryskpwd.com and get subscription for lifetime in just single one-time payment. Badge, PSD, EPS and AI, University, Violente and School Badge, Winter Wine Workshop, Reading Space Trailer, and here logo template, AI, logo PSD, and here multipurpose file, PSD, APS and AI. First go to here font link. You need font for this for this badge, and you can get here. Creative art you can customize in Photoshop. For example, open this one in Photoshop. Here you need font, otherwise you can customize everything. Okay, and stroke, shadow, line, okay. Simply you can make more better, or you can customize. Premium quality, sign 2012. Now same thing here, and here logo templates, PSD, especially for Photoshop, signature logo and other. Okay, PSD, logo template for Photoshop, and here mix for Adobe Illustrator, and mostly I think more Adobe Illustrator. Wow. I hope these logos are useful for you. Subscribe me, and you need subscription for access of my all data. Take care, Allah Hafiz.